Hello students. Today, we are going to learn English with a story about a kind woman named Cumki and her little dog. We will focus on present indefinite tense and adverbs of frequency like always, often, sometimes, never, usually, and rarely. Let's start. Cumki always wakes up at sunrise. Here, always shows that this action happens every day, without fail. We use the present indefinite tense because it describes her habit. Remember, we place always before the main verb. She often waters the flowers in her garden. Often means she does this many times but not every day. This is a repeated action, so we use the present indefinite tense. Notice the placement. Often is before the main verb. Cumki sometimes sings to the birds near the pond. Sometimes shows that it happens occasionally. This occasional action is described in present indefinite tense. Again, adverbs like sometimes go before the main verb. One small dog usually comes to her garden in the morning. Usually tells us it happens most of the time. The present indefinite tense shows a regular event. Notice the verb comes simple present form. Cumki always feeds stray animals with love. Always means she never misses feeding them. Present indefinite tense is used for habits or routines. The adverb is placed before the main verb, feeds. The dog often sits near Cumki and wags its tail happily. Often shows frequent behavior. We use present indefinite tense because this is the dog's usual action. The verbs sits and wags are in simple present. People sometimes say, be careful. That dog may bite you. Sometimes shows it happens occasionally. The present indefinite tense is used for general statements or repeated speech. But Cumki never fears animals. Never shows that this action does not happen at all. Present indefinite tense describes general truths, so it is the correct tense here. Always says, I love them. Always shows that she says this every time she sees animals. The present indefinite tense describes her habitual saying. Again, notice, adverb always is before the main verb. Every evening, Cumki walks in the garden with the dog. Present indefinite tense is used because this is a routine activity. Words like every evening signal repeated actions. They often play together until sunset. Often indicates frequent action. We use present indefinite tense to show repeated actions. The verb play stays in simple present form. Cumki always smiles, and the dog always barks joyfully. Both actions are habits or repeated behaviors. Present indefinite tense is correct here, and always shows it happens every time. Remember students, use present indefinite tense for habits, routines, repeated actions, and general truths. Adverbs of frequency like always, often, sometimes, never, usually, and rarely show how often something happens. Place adverbs before the main verb, and after the verb, to be. Now, try making your own sentences using these adverbs and practice your present indefinite tense.